Nearly every Corvette ever created has been a highly unique offering that's pushed the limits of style and performance. Think about it. This is a marquee that followed lightweight fiberglass roadsters with standard V8 power and potent big block street slayers. It followed Lotus-tuned ZR-1s with an exclusive modern Grand Sport and a proper revival of the track-focused Z06. Then it followed 2 generations of supercharged Blue Devils with the world's first affordable mid-engine exotic. Where else can you find world-class American performance that's loud, proud, and ready to lay waste to pretty much any old-world exotic? That purity is exactly why classics like this fully documented, meticulously restored Stingray are so collectible. Featuring a fresh nut and bolt rebuild that was completed to NCRS standards by a Bloomington Gold-winning shop. This roadster is a correct blue-chip showstopper that's sure to hold its own next to the finest metal on the planet. Whether you're in the market for one of the coolest Corvettes ever made, or just an outstanding muscle car, here's a Main Street centerpiece that can fulfill your lifelong dreams. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.